Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Haleema Sadia from Mirpur, Azad, Kashmir. We are on a training camp arranged by AFAQ, and it's 5 days training. That's the leadership program camp. Started in Nathia Gali, and it's the 3rd day of the training. And today we are here in the forest, and it's lovely, it's very pleasant. We are having cooking competitions over here, and it was not informed us before that what we are going to do here. But it's lovely, like with limited resources, how we are going to work as a team and what we are going to achieve in the end, the target and the objective which is given to us, like cooking chicken kadahi without, availability of all the resources. So it's the learning again, and it's related to the team building, it's related to the leadership, how a leader is going to meet the challenges, how the leader is going to go through the tough situations and taking the decisions according to the situations. So we are learning a lot, and it's not learning confined to the classrooms or within the halls or with the resource person. We have been given the liberty, the creativity is there, and that it's totally innovation. And innovation, that is the demand of 21st century teaching and learning. And Alhamdulillah, we are very happy that we are learning, and it's being organized by AFAQ, and we are thankful to AFAQ. Thank you very much, and keep on organizing such events which give us a very deep insight into this profession. And Alhamdulillah, we are going to implement a lot of new things when we go back to our schools. Thank you very much.